Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is mail call. Mail call, I've got some stuff arrived from AliExpress and I got some stuff arrived from Amazon. So that's what we'll be looking at today. We'll just pop over to the bench and we'll take it out of its bags and have a look at it. So let's do that. Here on the bench. So some stuff from AliExpress and some stuff from Amazon. So let's have a look at what's arrived from Amazon first. Big honking box. Just, get a blade. I've got a blade here in my trusty Victorinox. So in the middle there. Okay. Yes. So I ordered some Powerboards. That's what these are. Of course, this is what Powerboards look like in Australia. So, HPM brand, all of them by the looks of it. So I got one four outlet in white, and I got two black outlets with 6 outputs. So I might just I'll pop them out of their bags, but we'll time lapse it. So let's do that. Alright, so that's the Powerboards done. And there's another container or envelope from Amazon. So let's have a look what's in here. Let's try yes, so this is just some more power supply equipment, and I'm glad this has arrived because I'm going to need it pretty soon. These are just IEC female to AU female. Oh no, that's IEC male, I guess, yeah. So basically I can plug this to the output of my UPS device and get it in a format that I can plug a extension board into. So that's what those are for. Now there's some bags from AliExpress, so let's have a look at those. Might do this big one first. Kind of have a feeling I know what's in here. The old AliExpress bag within bag. So let's do these one at a time. Not sure what to expect in here. I snipped it a bit. These are bigger than I thought they'd be. Inkjet printhead cleaning. Alright, but they're basically they're good. They're cleaning spongy things. Shall I pop one out and show you? Why not? Where am I going to keep these? I'm not sure. Anyway, let's pop one out. We won't take the whole bag apart, but just show you one of them. more difficult than I thought it would be. Come on. There we go. Okay, so they got a little foamy, spongy head on them, and they're for cleaning, and I suppose they're disposable. Fair enough. Well, we'll just put them up here for now. I have to think about where I store these guys. Alright, so what else is in here? Now, the last time I ordered one of these, it turned up without its legs, which was not very cool. So I bought some more of them. I'm not sure if I got them from a different vendor or if I just tried again. Yeah, I got a couple of these. I need one of them. I got 2 spare, because you never know, do ya? Getting organised and you need some stuff. Shall we have a look at one of them now? I'm planning to put it up the back here. It's I suppose I should show you. It's a tool holder. So you basically put those at the bottom, and then these on the sides. And then this on the top. And you lose 4 squares to the corners. Yeah, that looks pretty good to me. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 by 10, which is 100 minus 4 equals 96. So you can fit 96 tools in this baby. Now, okay, you can't fit the solder sucker in there. And you can't fit the Adafruit 1 PCB to ruler them all. Can you fit that? No, you can't fit that in there. Okay, so it's pretty particular. Get the pens, that's good. You can't fit the Volt Alert in there. You can't fit the spudger in there. You can fit the paintbrushes in there. You can fit the hooky spudger things in there. Okay, we've got a couple of brushes, so that brush will fit. Okay. Brush. Okay, there's a small paintbrush at the back there. Okay, 3 different types of brushes. Got another brush here. Will this fit? No. No, that won't fit. Okay. What about this? Depends which way you want to put it. Put it that way, it won't fit. Well, it will fit that way. It's pretty high though, isn't it? And okay, that's a that fits. What about that? No, that won't fit. A lot of stuff won't fit. Another brush up the back here. And what about this brush? Yeah, that'll fit. And this brush, will that fit? Just barely. Okay. And the magnetic pickup tool, that'll fit. What about this? Yeah, that'll fit. And this, it fits. Is it big enough? It is. Alright. So obviously I can fit more things in here than I've got in here at the moment. So, okay. And now this stuff will all have to stay in here because it won't fit anywhere else. This goes on the side here and that goes around that way. Okay, now let's see how we go fitting this guy up the back here. Let's try and alright. Well, I'm not sure. Yeah, okay, that's okay. I might put those. You can't see that, can you? What if I put you over on there? See if I can just flip you over there and show you what I'm working on. So you can see up the back there. That's where I've put the new thing, and I can fit that. Just there. So I've got the mesh holder here, and then the tool holder up the back, and I might just put that there and that there. Okay. So it's fairly good to me. Okay, and as I said, we've got two more of those square ones, so two more of these. I'll put them somewhere so I can get them when I need them. I'm not sure what to expect here. Now, looks like it opens this end. Ah, yes, okay. I got these. I was a bit overzealous, I think. But these, 1, 2, 3 of them, are more of these. And I got them because I thought I might use them over there, but I've changed my mind, so now they're just going to be spare. They're just going to be spare. So this one is just another tool holder. So I've got plenty of space up the back there with the new ones, and I've got this one here which sits over there, which is plenty for my purposes now. So I'm going to just put these in the drawer with the other ones for a rainy day. Now we've got more stuff from China. I've ordered more of these mesh containers, these tool holders, and I'm really hoping that that they turn up soon. This is more bags within bags from AliExpress. And it looks like the mesh things aren't here yet, which is annoying. I really wanted to get on with those. I'm waiting for them to arrive so I can organise my box of tools. Look at that. I've got this whole box full of tools that have all come out of wire mesh drawers that I've sort of repurposed around here. So I can't empty this until I've got the containers to put all the bits and pieces in. So I'm really looking forward to those arriving. But they're not here in this bundle of stuff, so they must be still in transit. Now I'm not sure what we're dealing with here. Yes, so occasionally when I order stuff from AliExpress, I just get one of these to fill in the bag because you get free postage if you spend enough money. And I can always use more components that come in these kits. And I'm also interested in the ESP. Actually, I'm going to keep that aside and try and see what it suggests. Okay, so this is just some USB adapters. Very good. So these will all just be going in the USB adapter drawer. I'll get that out. It's getting pretty full. So these are USB 3 adapters that I got, or not all of them. I'll time-lapse this bit. Alright, so that's all of my new USB adapters. And this is the last bag of stuff from AliExpress for today. Looks like it's bags within bags again. Alright. I'm not sure what that is. That's not what I was expecting. Okay. Instant super glue dropping tube nozzle. Oh, I see. So okay, these are nozzles. I thought that they were a whole thing. So yeah, that was a mistake. I didn't need nozzles. I thought they were a whole glue, like one dose of glue. But apparently not. So anyway, I've got a drawer to keep those in. That'll be fine. I'll put them in my glue drawer. Got some more USB things. So just pop that out again. We won't time lapse this one. We'll just be quick. Right there. And there. And there. Alright, maybe there's some more of them too, I'm not sure. Alright. Okay, these are USB-C to USB Mini. Very good. So those are for up the back here. I've got my USB-C adapters, and this is a USB-C adapter to Mini, and it looks like I got 3 of them. So it's all well and good. we got in here? Let's just try it like this. Alright, there we go. So that's nozzles for my bottles, and they're all different sizes. They're different colours and indicate different sizes. I'm not sure what we're dealing with here. Ah, more metal sponges, there you go. Now I've already got a set of these, so this is another set. And I think that they'll go happily in the new container. I'll flip you over there. We'll put them in the new square container at the back. So, pop him out there. Alright, let's do, where will we keep these? Let's keep them here. 1, 2, and 3. Wonderful. All right. Well, I think that's everything. So I'll throw you over to the farewell cam and we'll wrap up. Thought we might just do a little job together. This is my set of USB adapters. This is a switch, so probably shouldn't even be in here. Anyway, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take anything that's USB B, type B. So type A to anything goes in here. Some old PS2 stuff there by the looks of it. Okay, and anything C, this is my USB-C drawer. So the USB-C stuff can go in there. Type A, that's audio. That's B. Type A, type A, type A, type A. Alright, this is C to C, that can go in there. PS2, type B, type A, type B, type A, type A, type B. That was type C actually. Type A, type A, type B. Alright, type A, type B, PS2, PS2, this is type A, type B, type C, type A, 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 type B, type B, type B, type A, type B, type B, type B, audio, A, B. Okay, so that's good. We whittled it down by taking all of the type Bs out. Now if you give me 2 seconds, I'll go and get a box. Now this box is labelled, can you see that there? It says USB 2.0 type B. So you can actually get USB 3 type Bs, but they're different, they're big, and these are not them. So what I'm going to do is just put my type A to type B adapters, like these ones here. I'm just going to put them in this box here, so I know where to go looking for it if I need them. and we did fill up the USB-C. The USB sit up the back here because I've got this USB-C cable here that just runs into the bench. And if I've got the USB-C adapters, then I can use this for pretty much anything. That's why I've got it up the back there. So, okay, that was just a little addendum. I'll see if I can squeeze it in. That should be the end of this video. So, and that's a wrap. So, yeah, just a few things from China today and some stuff from Amazon. I think the most disappointing thing today were those super glue needle heads. Those are actually just needles. I didn't realize. I thought that they were single dose glue, so I thought you just cut the thing off and you had one dose of super glue, but that's not what that was. It was just the head. It was just the needle nose head for use for gluing. So yeah, that was a bit of a mistake. And my most favorite thing was probably those square the square 96 hole tool organizer thing. I'm glad I got that, and I've got some spare ones as well if I want to deploy them somewhere, maybe over there or on the bench here. I'm still thinking about it, but the next thing to arrive is more of the wire mesh containers, so I'm waiting for 5 more of those to arrive in the not too distant future. So you'll see that in a future video. But that concludes today's mail call. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.